In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Incognito Mode on Google Maps. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Maps. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. Now click on your profile icon given at the top right. Now here you're going to find the option of turn on Incognito Mode. Click on that, and just for that you have enabled Incognito Mode in your Google Maps. Now Google Maps won't save your searches, navigation, history or activity to your Google account. This is useful if you don't want your recent places or searches to appear in your account history. However, keep in mind that some personalized features such as recommendations, saved places, commute information and other account-based suggestions may be unavailable while Incognito Mode is turned on. When you are finished using Incognito Mode, simply tap the Incognito icon at the top of the screen or tap your profile picture and select Turn off Incognito Mode. Google Maps will return to its normal mode and your personalized features and account history will be available again. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.